Today I'm going to show you how to make trucker hats at home using a hat press. For this project, we're going to be using puff print heat transfer vinyl, and to cut the vinyl, we're going to be using a Cricut Explorer Air 2. I'm going to also show you guys how to import your design into Cricut Design Space and send it to your vinyl cutter. For the hat press, we're going to be using a Fancier Studio today. Everything used in this video is going to be linked down below in the description. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe, and if you have any questions, meet me in the comment section. Let's get right into Cricut Design Space and let's get started. Alright, so now we're in Cricut Design Space. I'm going to go ahead and import a design that I already made. I actually made the design on Cricut Design Space, and I do have some tutorials on that, but if you want more tutorials on designing on Cricut Design Space, let me know and I'll definitely do that for you guys. So we're going to start off by going right here and hitting upload. Then we're going to go, this is the design, but I'm going to go ahead and import it again for you guys to see. So we're going to go ahead and hit upload image, go ahead and hit browse. I threw the design in this folder. It's going to be right here. So you just go wherever you saved your design. We're going to go ahead and hit open. This is a PNG file. So these next two steps don't really matter too much. But you can just choose right here how detailed you want your colors to get over here as far as what it'll track. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit simple, continue. Since like I said, I have a PNG already, so it's already, you know, the background's already out for me. But if it wasn't, I would just go in manually and go ahead and click all these little areas. If you guys need, you know, tutorials on that or questions, let me know. I'll help you guys. We're going to go ahead and hit apply and continue. And then we're going to go ahead and do cut image. We're not going to do print then cut. We're going to do only cut image. So let's go ahead and upload that. Then we're going to click it and then add to canvas. All right. Since we're doing a hat, I'm just going to make this 5 inches wide, and then ends up making it 2.4 inches high. And then let's go ahead and hit make it, and make sure you guys mirror your image. We're working with puff print heat transfer vinyl today, and when you're doing heat transfer vinyl, you always want to mirror your image. But yeah, that's all we're going to do in this video. Like I said, if you guys want more Cricut Design Space tutorials, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely do that for you guys. But from here, we're just going to go ahead and hit continue, and I will meet you at the vinyl cutter. All right, so if you're new to my channel, let me let you know I do use a Cricut Explorer Air 2. This is probably one of the most budget-friendly Cricut vinyl cutters, you know, out of their whole line. It's about 200 bucks. I've used this for like 3 years. I love it. I usually just make clothes and cut vinyl, so I didn't really need to get the Maker series. So if you're just going to do clothing brand stuff, like hats, hoodies, t-shirts, shorts, like, you know, stuff you're going to be pressing on, this is perfect. If you're going to be cutting other materials, then I would, you know, say get the Maker series, which is a little bit more. But if not, this is going to do everything that you need it to. The vinyl, the puff print that we're using is available down below in the description as well. But yeah, so let's go ahead and load up the vinyl cutter. The Cricut Explorer 2 has an option for the vinyl to be cut at 2 times the speed. So I'm going to go toggle that switch on Design Space, and then we're going to go ahead and cut this, and then we're going to move over to the hat press. Let's get it. All right. All right, so we're going to go ahead and peel our vinyl now. I'm just going to fast forward to this part. You don't need to sit there and watch me peel vinyl for a couple minutes. But I am going to tell you guys, if you guys are interested in high quality heat transfer vinyl, whether it's regular, glitter, puff print, check out the link in my bio. I do have my own brand of heat transfer vinyl. I love the quality that I offer, and I would love for you guys to try it out. So make sure you guys check out the link in the description. But now that we're done peeling our vinyl, we're going to go ahead and go over to the hat press, and we're going to go over all the settings and the timing for you guys. Let's get it. All right, so right here we have the Fancier Studio heat press. This one is under $120, and honestly, for how budget friendly it is extremely high quality with extremely high quality build. I like when my equipment feels sturdy with all the metal pieces. Stay away from those 5-in-1s with the attachments. Those will break really easily on you. Make sure everything that, you know, when it comes to equipment you have is always made out of metal, especially for equipment that gets hot over time. So For puff print heat transfer vinyl, I set the heat press to 280 degrees. Right here, we're gonna be working with a trucker hat. So this lever right here is so that we can put the hat on there and it'll keep it in place. So on this step, you guys, just make sure you're taking your time and make sure that it is on there snug. All right, perfect. Now let's go ahead and grab their heat transfer vinyl. The tape on here is heat resistant. I recommend you guys always have this on standby. It's really important in case, you know, projects like this where it'll come in clutch, just to make sure that the vinyl stays down. All right. Perfect. Now this right here is just a Teflon sheet. It's gonna help protect the hat. And I'm gonna do this for about, I would say about 10 seconds. And then we're gonna test it out and see if it needs any longer. So let's go ahead and do 10 seconds. I'm gonna check it out. All right. Nice. Okay, cool. Now I'm pretty happy with that. I don't think I'm actually gonna do it anymore. So that was the perfect pressure. For the pressure, I made it kind of tight, but not tight where it, you know, left creases. I hate when people hat press their vinyl or whatever, and it leaves those boxes. So what I recommend is do a couple, you know, test presses lightly and just check to see how the pressure is if it's leaving marks. But if it's not, then you're good to go. But yeah, there we go, guys. I'm going to give you guys a little bit more of a close-up so you guys can check out the vinyl. But if you guys made it this far, make sure you guys hit that subscribe. And if you guys had any questions throughout this whole process, meet me in the comments section. Appreciate it.